week's adventures are going to take us down to Dragway 42. We made lots of changes to the Chevy 2 this winter, changed the suspension, added new wheelie bars, and we even got a back window, people. Let's see what it does. Bubby, say hi. Trav, where are we going?
Tyler, Bohan, and Grace. T-Bow.
Oh yeah? It's actually Tyler and Brian. That's what it stands for. TB Promotions. Give Brian Whitwood some props.
Sorry, Brian. A little love for you.
Watching the races while we're finally on the road to the races. Gotta make a delivery. Stay tuned. Ready to be at the racetrack? Still watching racing for all those wondering. Can't stand it that he missed today. It doesn't? You sure?
Sure.
You gonna drink some beer?
We just want to let you know how much we appreciate it.
for massages and naps. Oh, we got a long way home. How do you feel like that went? What are you laughing at?
Pretty damn. I was yawning. You got me right in the middle of a yawn.
Oh.
Damn.
I can't ask you questions when you're yawning?
No, man.
Brittany, go to sleep!
My personal private time there.
He died.
Seriously. Oh, wait, the final's wrong. Wait.
The final round
American, come on.
comes into the beams. A wild final round that was, but a dragster is your final winner.
Woo! American for the win, baby! All right, so you're done yawning. Recap the weekend. How'd you do?
Did pretty good. We won a few rounds. I think got me 5th or 6th round Saturday in the 50. Picked a great time to be 30.
Oh, you didn't.
Well, you know, took a little nap. Just couldn't quite let go. But the car was there. The car did its job. I just didn't. Sunday, a few more rounds till I fell out of the car again. So, all in all, pretty good. The car's good. Got a little maintenance to do on it. Check it out. Be ready for the next one.
Now we gotta drive home and be ready for Chris Wilson. Will be here first thing tomorrow morning. Pick up that new car.
Yes, car number 20, I think it is.
Yeah.
Excited this one. It's really pretty. I think he's really going to like it. Something way out of his wheelhouse. He normally don't do this, but I'm excited. This will be a turnkey pickup. We'll fire it up, drive it in the trailer, and hopefully he'll be racing it for 20 grand next weekend.
Nice.
What a great end to a great week. Dropped off a couple really cool cars. Got to hang out with some customers. Made a few laps in the DUECE. Everything's going great. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Talk to you soon.